हेलो, नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप लोग? गुड इवनिंग टू पीपल लिविंग ऑन दिस साइड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड गुड मॉर्निंग एंड गुड आफ्टरनून टू पीपल लिविंग ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। तो दोस्तों, कैसा रहा आपका पिछला वीक? मैंने पिछले 5-6 दिनों से आपसे बात नहीं की है। मैं काफ़ी बाकी लोगों के साथ कुछ सेमिनार और कुछ मोटिवेशनल लेक्चर्स कर रहा था। But I missed you all. I missed you very much. And today I'm going to speak to somebody who I know for the last many years. Many, matlab many years. And know him very closely. मैं तो ऐसे बिल्डअप कर रहा हूँ। मैं आप पोस्टर तो ऑलरेडी डाल चुका हूँ. So today I'm going to speak to Sikandar. Sikandar Kher. Yes, Sikandar was 4 years old when he started living with us. And he's wonderful. He is great. He is in the next room. हम दोनों साथ में बैठ के भी चैट कर सकते थे. अब कुछ शाणे लोग बोलेंगे कि अरे फोन पे बात कर लेते या मिल के बात कर लेते, लेकिन आप तक ये बात कैसे पहुंचती मेरे दोस्तों? तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं सिकंदर से क्या बात करूंगा. मैं तो जानता हूँ सब कुछ उसके बारे में, बट कभी कभी क्या लगता है कि when you have a formal chat, in the sense formal तो नहीं होगी, मैं उसको जानता हूँ, वो मुझे जानता है, but when you have a chat like this which people are wanting to listen to, तो थोड़ा सा फोकस्ड हो जाता है, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड मामला हो जाता है. तो आज सिकंदर जी से बात होगी. जी तो मैं ऐसे ही बोल रहा हूँ जैसे मेहमान को बोलते हैं, थोड़ी बहुत तो इज्जत देनी पड़ेगी, वरना वो कहेगा कि घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. तो ये तो घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर नहीं है, और ना ही आजकल के बच्चे दाल बराबर होते हैं. काफ़ी लोग जुड़ने शुरू हो गए हैं वैसे ही. तो अभी अगर सिकंदर भी जुड़ जाएगा, अपना मेरे को खेरसा बुलाता है वैसे, वो वैसे डैड वॉट एवर ही कैन कॉल मी एनीथिंग, बट आजकल वो मेरे ऊपर कुछ वीडियो बनाता है, उसको उसने नाम दिया है खेर साहब. तो खेर साहब के साथ अगर सिकंदर जी जुड़ जाएं तो हम बातचीत का सिलसिला जारी करेंगे और पूछेंगे. देखता हूँ, मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं है कि मैं उससे क्या पूछने वाला हूँ. तो मेरे बच्चे, सिकंदर, इधर से बोल देता हूँ, प्लीज सेंड मी अ मैसेज. लेट्स सी. सुनता भी नहीं है, सुन रहा होगा कि नहीं सुन रहा होगा, देखते हैं. अभी सुनते हैं कि देखते हैं. प्लीज ज्वाइन. उधर से आवाज चिल्ला रहा है कि आई एम सेंडिंग. ये मजा है. अरे खेर साहब आ गए. खेर साहब गो लाइव. सिकंदर वेटिंग फॉर सिकंदर खेर एंड कनेक्टिंग. अरे जियो मेरे बच्चे.
Dad, I'm yelling at you from the other room, Dad.
We can do this whole interview like this.
और क्या चल रहा है?
सब ठीक ठाक है. तुम ठीक हो?
बस बिल्कुल फर्स्ट क्लास. आप बताइए.
अरे पीछे तस्वीरें लगाई हुई हैं, ये तो अभी मैंने देखी थी थोड़ी देर पहले, 5 मिनट पहले.
ये मम्मी ने लगाई ना, क्योंकि मतलब वो वास्तु के हिसाब से सही है.
अरे वास्तु? मेरी तो तुम वस्तु हो मेरे बच्चे. वस्तु का मतलब समझते हो?
नहीं डैड, आप भी अंग्रेजी में आपकी आप बोलिए वस्तु का मतलब.
नहीं, वस्तु मतलब
वस्तु इज वेयर डिंपल आंटी स्टेज ना. डिंपल का बढ़िया.
शी. थोड़ा दूर रखना कैमरा, बहुत नजदीक है.
सॉरी.
हाँ, this is fine. Yes, looking nice. 5 minutes back also you were looking nice. People are joining. They are very big fan of yours. यार मेरे को तो इतने कभी व्यूज मिलते नहीं दोस्त. क्या हुआ पिछले 5 मिनट में? क्या चेंज हुआ?
डैड क्या बात कर रहे हो? You've never had so many views.
No, there's too much happening. Very good. Thanks to you.
Because I have made you cute. You've become a cute man in the world.
Oh.
What is
Okay.
this? What is this?
Hang
What is
loose.
Yeah, it's 2 words. No, it's 2 words.
Hang loose. हाँ, मैं सोचता था hang loose कोई धर्मशाला के पास कोई जगह होगी, मकलोडगंज टाइप.
Dad, our first live together, Dad.
First live happening together. So what do you feel? What are your thoughts on this live?
My thoughts are very simple. That you were very annoyed that I didn't prepare for it enough as you thought I should have. But other than that, you're looking really slim and fit, and Olympics have not happened this year in Tokyo. But other than that, it's all. Look at your smile.
You think my pronunciation of Olympics is not good?
What is the pronunciation there? What is it?
Olympics.
Come on, Dad. We've since from 403 Marina, Mom and I have been telling you, it's Olympics.
Olympics.
Yes.
तो एक बोलने से तू क्या समझता? किसी दुकान का नाम बोल रहा हूँ मैं?
हाँ जी.
बोल संस्थापक. बोल संस्थापक.
Sansthapak.
अरे थापक नहीं है, थप्पड़
No, you
पड़ेगा.
don't make fun of my correct pronunciation.
No, it's not संस्थापक. बोल
Give more,
जिज्ञासा.
give more. Give more. Jigyasa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
बोल परिस्थितियां.
Huh? No, I couldn't hear you. Your voice broke.
परिस्थितियां.
Paristithiyan. Why are you asking regular words?
I'm regular. Olympics is a very regular word.
Let's give some more.
No, we can't have this whole chat about this. So I want to ask you, before a lot of people want to ask you, you posted a video recently after Sushant Singh unfortunately passed away.
Yeah.
You were very emotional. You were very, to some extent, very compassionate, angry, and you got more than 5.5 million views for that, and you have now 100,000 followers. What happened exactly?
See, I didn't know him. And I don't know, I just felt really, really angry because, people, human beings, and it's not their fault, but the problem is we keep speaking behind people's backs. I've done it. We've all done it. We speak behind people's backs just randomly without even realizing, like suppose I'm with a friend and suppose you're a friend and you're like, Arey Sikandar, ye kaisa banda hai? And I'll be like, Anupam, he's really not a cool guy. We've done this before in life. Everybody does this. I've been through so much of this. I've realized because of doing that, I've done that myself. And the thing is that I've realized that why, man? So now my basic thing is, see, Anupam, I've had not a great experience with this man, but you figure him out yourself. Your relationship with him might be different. But we're such frivolous people. We talk.
But that's a separate issue that you're generalizing the whole thing. For you, you're not a person who easily gets into a situation where you will record something like this unless you see me speaking English.
No, I was really, really upset because I empathized with him.
What was that trigger point where you say that?
I empathize with him because that, you know what, I've been around where I've heard people not say pleasant things, about him,
No.
and I know how this works. And people have said non-pleasant things about me also. So I know it, and what happens in life is that we hear it, we hear it and it hurts. So, and then there are few people are blessed with a personality that is loved by all. Few people are blessed with a personality that's not loved by all. Okay.
But
mine is a personality.
No, continue. Sorry.
My personality is one that some people have to get used to, maybe, But so that's a blessing to the people that are loved by all. So when you're going through a tough time in life, Dad, I mean, we know each other, obviously. I mean, it's a blessing that I look at that point in life where I went through my change, where I could just try and find the positives. Like sometimes you can be bitter, yaar, arey, ye actor ka kyun ho gaya, mera kyun nahi ho raha? I can think bitterly. But it won't make a difference to him, but that energy is coming out of me. So for me, I just thought, what's the point? Yeah, just be happy for people's taraqi, etc. At least wo energy nikal jayega, usko pata nahi chalega, but we can't care about that. But I really tell you, like how the personalities are blessed. This is a blessing that came to me, but everybody does not have that, and it's really a cruel place because people hear, people talk, so many things, and you never know when somebody's lonely, what they're going through. Sometimes you want to reach out to people. I know I'm lonely. I know a lot of times I have friends. I have one friend, which is AB. He's always there, but I don't have others. I love people, Dad. You know that. I love people.
When you say AB, means AB with you and me.
Abhishek Bachchan. So, I mean, I know, like the 2 weeks ago, I was feeling low. I messaged on our group of 3 people. I said, I'm feeling low. Let's talk today, man. In 1 second, his call came. No, not that, it's But sometimes it's not necessary, man. People say talk to someone. Sometimes we can't talk to someone. We don't want to talk to someone. It's the mind and everything is a very vulnerable and complex place. It's to be there for someone or whatever. Like, I know when I posted that video, whatever it is and whatever, like, usually I don't want to talk about it because it's not about me, it's about him. What a sad loss for a young boy. He must have been lonely, and whatever he must have heard. But it's tough, yeah. It's tough, and there's no answer to that. How do you be there for someone? Sometimes you can try.
You explained to me. First of all, tell me, there is not a single person who is liked by everybody.
Correct.
Person, including we criticize God also.
Right. Okay. And Dalai Lama.
And Dalai Lama also. And Mother also. And Gandhiji also.
True.
The world is there too. Sometimes it's their inefficiency to like everybody. They become like that. But anyway, let's move on with that. I was very proud of you that you could speak about that. And the way you spoke about it, we are very, very straightforward kind of a people. We've all seen our lows and ups and downs and everything. हमने सारी जिंदगी देखा है. हम तो जहाँ जिस बैकग्राउंड से थे, कितने लोग जब तुम बीच में काम नहीं मिला था, कितने लोग क्या क्या बोलते थे, सब दौर से गुजर चुके हैं. ये बता कि बेटा मेरे लाल कल अरे nice smile that was. Don't get into that zone. It's okay. We need to get out of that zone. What did you have for lunch today?
I don't know. What did you have for lunch today?
My God.
In any case, so what did you have?
I had khichdi and potatoes.
I had potatoes and I had kebabs, the ones that Parizad sent you.
Wow.
You'll have to order again because I finished.
खाना लेकर आता हूँ, मेरे दोस्त मुझे खाना भेजते हैं और तू किचन से निकाल के सारा खाना खत्म करता है.
डैड मतलब ये खाने की बात करें? हाँ
नहीं, बात चाहता हूँ मैं, घर की सारी बातें करना चाहता हूँ. राजू चाचा के पूरा कबाब का पैकेट लाया था, तू सारे 6 के 6 खा गया.
बट अभी आप परिजात जोराबियन से बात कर चुके हैं ना. वो जोराबियन मतलब हमारा फ्रीजर पूरा जोराबियन के उस टिक की मतलब सब कुछ के साथ भरा हुआ है.
Very, very sweet of her. So
very sweet of her.
Very sweet of her. She's a very sweet girl, and she sent us.
You should also be sweet, Dad, and share food whenever it comes.
So if you have to describe me in one word, what will that word
be? Should I just should be?
No, don't make fun of me. Okay, say it, because since you already word came into your mind.
Okay, wait, there's no word. One word is tough. I'll just tell you. Okay, to be honest, gentle.
बड़ा सोचना पड़ा तेरे को यार.
No, you're gentle. You've always been You've just always been gentle. I remember in school when I got remarks in my diary, I didn't want to wake up mom, and then I'd ask you to sign it, and you'd be like, because you had 19 phones around you at that time, so you were busy, and I'd be like, Dad, just sign it. He's like, yeah, take it.
Hello, at that time mobile phones had come.
No, Dad, you had the 19 regular phones with that.
What rubbish phone? Yeah. I had only 2 phones, and green one and red one.
Yeah, the green one and red one. Yes, yeah. But you had those phones, and I was like, Dad, just sign it. Just sign it, please sign it. And it was like, you never, with you, Dad, is that you're gentle. You're just a gentleman. You're gentle, not as a gentleman, not the way you would pronounce it, but that's a gentleman. But what I'm trying to say is that
if it is one person, then you have to say gentleman.
Yeah. No, it's just a gentleman. You're a gentleman. No, it's not one person. It's a gentleman only, Dad. Don't do this right now. But yeah, you're a gentleman. But
that is because when I was in 9th standard, we also used to have to get this thing signed by my father. So my mother was very strict. Dadiji. But my father was very, very soft.
Dadiji used to hit you with bichu booty.
Yes.
Tell them what bichu booty is. Poison ivy, no?
Poison ivy.
Dadiji used to hit my father with poison ivy.
Thanks.
That's crazy. Can you imagine? My mom speaks it's poison ivy, though that's a different thing altogether.
Don't say anything about Dulhari. Rocks. She's a darling of the whole world.
Yeah.
And better not say nasty things about that she used to kill me with this bichu booty and things
But
like that.
I think that you definitely deserved it, because I said gentle because we're on a public platform, but we know exactly. Look at that. Look at the wickedness on your face right now.
So I was ninth standard and I went to him with my report card, and I was my grade was 59th in the class. So my
How many
father.
students were there?
So that's exactly what my father asked me before signing. He says 59th. कितने students हैं? मैंने कहा 60. Now, first time my father is never shouted at me, he never said anything. First time I thought he is going to get so disappointed. So he took a pause. He says, क्या है ना, मैं बताऊं तुमको एक बात बिट्टू, जो फर्स्ट आता है ना उसको हमेशा टेंशन रहती है कि उसको फर्स्ट आना है, चाहे स्पोर्ट्स में चाहे पढ़ाई में. वो सेकंड भी आता है तो उसको सेंस ऑफ फेलियर होता है. लेकिन जो 59th आता है वो 48th आ सकता है, 37th आ सकता है, 29th आ सकता है. एक काम करना, नेक्स्ट टाइम 48th आ जाना.
Nice. Yeah.
Very sweet, huh?
Amazing. He was lovely. What a lovely. I really miss him.
Yeah. What is
And
your memory of my father?
I remember my memory of Dadaji is just you, Raju Chacha, and him together, and him just being so overjoyed and proud of you. You know, I know that. I know that was what it was. You can see the pride that he had for you, that where he came from as a forest officer or whatever, and where you came from, you know. That is my actual feeling for him. It was pride, you know. I could feel the way he stood with his chest open, and he was amazing, you know. But all three of you all are talking about amazing, but there was a Harami Panti in all three of you all. That's where it comes down to. But that pride that you gave him, you know, as a father, and the way when he passed away, the celebration that we had for him, you know, and I know what you went through, but it was pride. Yeah, he was so proud of you, and I remember you telling me so many times that all your cuttings, everything that he kept,
Press
you know,
cut.
yeah, everything ever that happened, because that's him, and he was fun. He was lovely. He was in his own world, but he was, but it was you, Raju Chacha, and him. I remember that.
We are talking about Raju Chacha. Describe Raju Chacha in one word.
Bide, and bide. That's Raju Chacha in 4 words. Other than,
Don't make fun of my brother.
but you've only asked me to do this.
But you don't have to do it bide bide.
Okay, 1 second. You want me to describe Raju Chacha in 1 word?
Okay. Yeah, you said gentle about me.
No, yeah, and Raju Chacha is bide. 1 word. Okay.
Okay. Now, since we are talking about 1 word, etc., it's very difficult to describe mom in 1 word.
Yeah.
But does it word come into your mind?
For mom?
Yeah.
Affectionate.
Kiran.
Over affectionate. Affectionate.
Over affectionate.
You wanted to catch that only, na? You wanted to catch the over. Hai na? How long have you guys been married? By the way, I don't know.
We will be now married for 35 years.
Yeah.
And
she's affectionate. You caught over affectionate. After 35 years, you'll catch the over only. But yeah, she's affectionate.
And I remember her once trying to put you to sleep when you were a small kid and trying to sing Lori to you.
What, really?
Huh? You don't remember that?
No, absolutely. My mom tried to sing.
And what was your response? You don't know this story?
No.
You were maybe a toddler, but you had started learning 1 or 2 words. So Kiran, mom thought that let me become a traditional mother, as if she's not a traditional mother in movies or in real life. So she was singing something to you and you were lying down, and I was thinking, oh God, without putting my hands on my ears, how can I not listen to this? But the killer was, you said, Mama na. Mama
No way, dude. No,
story. Ask her this story. You don't. I thought she told you this. Oh my God.
Nobody has told me the story. I feel that's why today I have not slept. Maybe that's the reason.
I don't know. You get very upset, or we are breaking this story for the first time on live chat. Something you did not know had happened to you.
I can't believe you've never told me this, Dad.
Really? I thought you knew about this story.
What do I know about this? Please tell them the time I climbed onto you and started strangling you. How about that?
But you know, worse than that was my grandmother. My grandmother, my father, Ammaji, we used to call her Ammaji. Her name was Kalavati. So we used to sing that song, Zarurat hai, Zarurat hai, Zarurat hai, Shrimati ki, Kalavati ki, etc. Don't get impatient. Listen to the whole story.
No, I know the song. I like the song.
You like the
Bombay
song?
Vikings redid it.
Oh, really?
Na 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 Gangati ki zarurat hai, zarurat hai.
Ah, correct.
I
Very
love
good.
the song. Yeah.
Surprising me. So she used to sing the most monotonous lullaby on the planet. And it was so monotonous that she used to go off to sleep herself while singing it. I will have the guts to sing 2 lines. Don't go to sleep.
No, I don't think I will be able to, but yeah.
Yeah. Inzi, Kashmiri, Chinese, Myanese, Rajputis, Bittu GS, Pablu GS. And she used to go off to sleep. So
And everybody else was awake in Shimla.
We were waiting for her to go to sleep.
Wow, Dad.
So this is the story. What are the strengths of Kiran?
Mom's strengths are her ability to love.
Asking questions that we have never done this interview kind of a stuff. And
Ever.
I'm very proud of you, first of all. Like my father
You're
was
very
proud,
what? Sorry, you're very what?
proud of you. That is, मुझे तुम पर गर्व है मेरे से पुत्र. आप ठीक है?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
मुंह से गाली मत निकलवाना मेरे लाइव चैट में.
नहीं डैड मत करो ना.
हाँ नहीं करूंगा. तो बताओ.
Mom's ability to love. Mom's affection. Mom's love for life. Mom's love for people, for you, for me. Mom's frankness in whatever adversity it may be. I have heard of situations where she's been somewhere and people have stormed in and there are huge stars around her and everybody's kept quiet, but she has spoken her mind and told them, this is wrong. And people keep quiet. Nobody says that, but that's her. Because it's her passion.
We have legendary stories of South Africa and other places.
Oh, that strength is amazing. That strength is unreal. Should we talk about that?
Should share that story.
Okay, so I will share that story because I was there. It was during Mr. Bachchan shows. I think Home Alone 1 or Home Alone 2 had released. It's a film in Hollywood. And we had gone to the mall. Sorry?
Everybody knows that.
Yeah. So we had gone to the mall in South Africa. This was at the height of apartheid. And, okay. Apartheid is where, in South Africa where the whites and the blacks, there was huge discrimination. And the whites were like...
और हम मिस्टर बच्चन के शो के लिए गए थे.
हम मिस्टर बच्चन के लिए शो के लिए गए थे और हम ब्राउन लोग हैं. तो हमारे सबके पास ना सिक्योरिटी गार्ड थे गन के साथ. So we decided to go get some ice cream. But the security guard didn't come with us. And it's amazing. This is brilliant what mom did. So we're waiting in the line to get ice cream. And suddenly there's this, not to sound racist, but a white lady that just pushed past because it's height of apartheid and whatever it was. She pushed past mom. Mom was not going to keep quiet. She was like, let the Nazi go ahead.
Oh, yes.
The Nazi go. I remember this clearly. I was a child.
How old are you?
I don't remember, but I wanted banana ice cream. I remember I wanted banana ice cream. My mom said, let the Nazi go ahead.
In South Africa,
South Africa, apartheid, we've all got bodyguards with guns. But we've just come down for ice cream, so that guy's not coming. Or whatever. We're alone. Let the Nazi go ahead because they just came. It's like you say, you can't just come and cut a queue. But because they're that, they just did that.
She also pushed you.
Sorry?
She also pushed you, I think.
No, she didn't. She did not push me. She just pushed mom. She just came and cut the queue. You know? And anyway, so that happens and mom is not going to keep quiet. She's not going to take anything from anyone. This lady has gone back, taken ice cream, whatever. She's had a boyfriend who was the size of the mall, almost. He was that big. That woman that she called a Nazi, right? Big, strong, whatever. He looks at mom from there. You watch your mouth. Mom turned back and said, "You watch your mouth, you dirty white pig." At that time. At
Yeah.
that time, she will not stand. She will stand for right. Mom will stand for right. She will not let anything go down. And today, when we're talking about this, with whatever's happening in the world, you do understand.
Yeah.
She would never do that. I mean, it's always been her from inside. It's her passion, and it's her will to just do the right, man. It just comes out. It doesn't stop. So it comes from here. It comes out from her mouth. That's what I have. That's what I've always had. That's why many times I've gotten trouble. Many times I've been loved by many people for that reason. So, but that's her quality, which you don't have that because you're a diplomatic, proper, gentle person. That's why.
एंड के टके सुनो, जब
हाँ.
मेरी तारीफ करनी थी तो एक वर्ड इस्तेमाल किया, जेंटल.
But you are that gentle is the most beautiful thing in the world. You're a gentleman. You have never, so you have never ever yelled at me. I remember as a child, ever. So mom used to shower slaps on me. Either I go for a shower or I go for a shower. It was one or two. But with you, it was you just were. You were just the most peaceful, gentle person. And for you, for a person like that, if you just say one.
He was an army officer's daughter. I was a forest clerk's son.
But that does not mean anything. That's just a person.
You learn to be diplomatic. You're told.
Have you seen? You remember Nanaji?
Yes.
Is there anybody gentler than him?
No. But life
so
around.
Don't.
I'm not defending. Okay, next topic. What is your strength as an actor?
That I just, to be honest, like it's always.
Modest answers.
No, I'm not giving a modest answer. That I just want to keep learning, and I always think that this could have been better, that could have been better. So I watch it, and I just think that we're living in mediocrity over here in this country.
Strength as an actor.
There's nothing. There's it's the only thing I think of. It's the only thing.
Till today, you have liked. Which performance of yours till today you have felt good about?
Tere Bin Laden, Dead or Alive. 24, which Anil Uncle, Mr. Kapoor gave me. Zoya Factor was a small role, but because I don't have siblings, I really wanted to do it. So it was my own take. The film didn't do too well, but it was a feeling. It was love.
So there is a person saying here, you were a revolution in Romeo, Akbar, Walter.
I like that also, I think.
And there is somebody also saying that we loved you in Charge Sheet.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thanks. Yeah. Romeo Akbar Walter was good. Sorry?
What is your weakness as an actor?
That I have so much to, I just have too much to learn, Dad. We're just nowhere. You look at a film like Bohemian Rhapsody. Okay, my weakness as an actor is just trying to totally get into that space and cutting off from everything else and just being there. And I think that takes some tools, that takes some kind of.
Some people are saying speak in Hindi, so थोड़ा सा हिंदी में भी बात करो, please.
हाँ, तो मेरा यही weakness है कि मुझे वो कैरेक्टर में मैं जानता हूँ कि मैं फुल नहीं घुस रहा, बट समटाइम्स मैं हो जाता हूँ, जैसे कि तेरे बिन लादेन में हुआ, 24 में हुआ, रॉ में हुआ, बिकॉज मैंने वो कैरेक्टर ढूंढा, आई फाउंड दैट कैरेक्टर, एंड देन जब वो कैरेक्टर मिला तो फिर और किसी चीज की जरूरत ही नहीं है सोचने के बारे में, तो फिर वो जस्ट नेचुरली हो जाता है, फिर इट जस्ट फ्लोज. तो वही था. हालांकि मैंने चार्जशीट भी देखी है, मुझे मेरा काम इतना खास नहीं लगा, बिकॉज मैं जानता था थोड़ा और सोचना था वगैरह वगैरह, बट इट्स लवली क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को पसंद भी आई. बट हाँ, यही है.
अशोक जी आपकी बहुत तारीफ करते हैं. अशोक जी ने तो ट्वीट भी किया आज आपकी और मेरी चैट के बारे में कि हम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू. अशोक पंडित जी जो प्रोड्यूसर थे उसके, उन्होंने काफी आपकी तारीफ करते रहते हैं बेचारे, हमेशा तारीफ करते हैं.
He's been absolutely wonderful. Really wanted me to do it. We loved the script. बहुत अच्छा लगा script, and that's why I did it. मुझे
मेरी वर्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस कौन सी रही है?
आपकी
हाँ,
आपकी वर्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस तो काफी है,
हाँ,
बट
थैंक्स, थैंक्स, थैंक्स।
बट एक चीज मैं लोगों को बता सकता हूँ, जो कि मैं आज अपने दोस्त से भी बोल रहा था, कि एक आपकी फिल्म आई थी दिल का डॉक्टर। उस समय कम से कम 2 महीने के लिए मैं स्कूल नहीं जाना चाह रहा था।
अच्छा, वेरी गुड, क्या बात है।
शक्ल थी और 2 नर्सिस के हिप्स लगे हुए थे यहाँ पे साइड में। तो मैं बोला यार स्कूल
पोस्टर में है ना?
पोस्टर में दिल का डॉक्टर, मतलब आपको भी पता ही होगा ना डैड, मतलब।
अच्छा, which is my performance which has made you proud?
ओ
Since
डैड,
you are as an actor, of course.
डैडी, आई थिंक
Daddy.
Daddy by Mahesh Bhatt. Saranch, of course, is phenomenal for a 26. How old were you? You were 26 years old.
हाँ,
You played that. It's
28, 28 साल का था।
to have done something like that. Many people haven't done that. Dr. Dang, unbelievable for a person who's just new in cinema and who is standing up against Dilip Kumar and standing like that, man. You remember from that entire film till today, you remember his Thappad Ki Goonj. Till today, that's the one thing you remember in Karma. Nobody remembers either the song Dil Diya Hai or it's Thappad Ki Goonj. The two things you remember in that film. Lamhe, you were just beautiful. I think there are many films that you've been really, and many films you've not also, but many films you've been really, really, really good in. But these are really. Tell me, what do you think yours? Okay, tell me, which ones do you think are good? And I might disagree with you, so don't get upset. Come to the be like up to.
So somebody said Silver Linings Playbook.
No, come on. Silver Linings Playbook is ridiculous. The way you auditioned from Rajasthan of Skype, you got the part, and how you spoke up to Robert De Niro, who's your god, and then he became your best friend. That story I tell everybody. But we're talking about Hindi cinema right now, so let's stick to that. Tell me about Hindi cinema.
So what about Khosla Ka Ghosla?
Fantastic. I remember you in the living room of GG Apartments saying, "मैं ऐसे करने वाला हूँ." You pulled your hair, you put your stomach out, and you said, "मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ." I still remember till today you doing that. मैं ऐसे करने वाला हूँ. I remember that.
What about a Wednesday?
Fantastic.
Okay, great. What about मैंने गांधी को नहीं मारा?
Superb.
What about Special 26?
Oh yeah, you don't need to count it in all of these then.
What about Daddy? तो आपने बोल ही दिया. Did you see Rao Sahib?
No. Or might have when I was very young.
What about Shola और Shabnam?
I Am Lathi. What a film, yeah. What a film, man. Unbelievable. David, Uncle, you guys knocked it out of the park. Unbelievable it was. Yeah. That was superb. You were superb. I Am Lathi is legendary.
We have had great fun. Now tomorrow, one of your series is going to be launched on Hotstar.
Yes.
Which is called Arya.
Yes.
From the time you have come back from the shooting about doing the shooting, you've been talking about that for a long time. I loved your voice in that. First, I thought it was Mr. Bachchan because it is off screen. Right. So I said, "ये Mr. Bachchan." उनकी तरह एक दाढ़ी वाला भी था, किसी shot में नजर आया था. Later on, it turned out to be my friend. What is his name? Sorry.
Jayant Kriplani.
Jayant Kriplani. But I thought तेरी आवाज तो नहीं है. But जब तेरा चेहरा आया अबरगरी. You have been saying wonderful things about the people who made that. So tell me, why should somebody see that series tomorrow?
See, I'll tell you, I can only say Ram Madhvani. Ram Madhvani, you've seen Nirja, there are other things. And the way we've shot it, and the way he's made it, it's a good script. You should see, because I have a feeling it'll be a real people will enjoy, firstly. Secondly, sorry, pardon me.
ले फोन ले क्या बात कर पर
ड्राइवर का फोन है.
किसका?
ड्राइवर शिवा का फोन
शिवा का फोन है, ओके.
है. Oh, हाँ. Imagine if it was mom's call and I said ड्राइवर का फोन है. I think
मॉम का फोन होता तो तुझे उठाना पड़ता.
हाँ
नहीं तो
हाँ
फोन के अंदर से थप्पड़ पड़ता.
हाँ माँ सॉरी मैं लाइव कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, करेक्ट.
There was the way we've shot this show is something that I don't think it's ever happened in the world. They have 2 cameras. There's no cut. We've had 1 hour long takes. They don't cut. There's no cut for close-ups. There's no cut for anything else. It's straight up. You just shoot. We had a 1 hour take once. Batteries of the camera were changing and memory cards were changing. So you don't get out of the moment. And we did a workshop. And after that, you're like, अभी मैं क्या कहूँ? You'll ask the directors. They're like, यार देख, तेरा character है. तू सोच क्या बोलना है? So first, it's very unnerving. But you know what I feel? I have a feeling. I don't know. I've not seen it yet. I'm looking forward. Today it comes out at 12 a.m. today. So I'm looking forward to seeing it because I have a feeling that every actor, nobody's been through an experience like this. I have a feeling there'll be a lot of, it'll be very natural because the cameras just move and people are not getting out. There's no stopping of a moment. And the greatest thing about this whole thing is just the experience more than anything else. Ram Advani is a great maker. But as a human being, and as my life, 13 years I've worked over here. I have never had, it's the greatest experience of my life to have worked with that man. He is just, as a man, as a human being, I'm just grateful that I could sit and speak to that man and spend some time with him.
Wonderful.
He's respectful. You know, every actor on set, and I mean like if they shoot and there are other actors that are sitting on tables, etc., who are not a part of the show, but they're there as people who are sitting around. I don't know whether I don't like calling them extras or juniors or whatever. But, you know, Ram Madhvani knows everybody's name. They want to come back every day. That man's respect for people is unbelievable. I wish I could read out the message that he sent me today before, you know. And I think a lot of it has to do with dua and love. And I feel that people are going to enjoy this because of that man. He's a maker, and the vibe and the energy of everybody, because good energy attracts good energy. And that's what he did. Everybody on set. It was the greatest experience of our lives. We felt bad when it got over, like we were like set. And हम चाहते हैं कि अभी second season होगा, साथ में करेंगे. But क्या कमाल का आदमी है. And
what is your character about? क्या नाम है?
My character's name is.
हिंदी में बात करो. हिंदी बार-बार एक भाई साहब बोलते जा रहे हैं. हिंदी में बात करो. भगवत सिंदल.
Sorry. मेरे character नाम है दौलत. वो फैमिली, ये फैमिली क्राइम थ्रिलर है. तो ये फैमिली का मेन लॉयलिस्ट है, राइट हैंड मैन है जयंत कृपलानी का, फैमिली का. आर्या को स्ट्रेंथ देता है, चुप बैठता है लेकिन वो बहुत स्ट्रेंथ देता है सबको. इज एक्सट्रीमली लॉयल. ज्यादा नहीं कह सकता क्योंकि कहानी
लोग देखना चाहेंगे. तो आज रात को 12 बजे आर्या विल बी ऑन डिज्नी हॉटस्टार. I want to wish you good luck and to your whole team, and it will be a great success. I am 100% sure. अगर हमारी फैमिली पर एक सीरीज बने जिसमें राजू चाचा वगैरह हों, सब लोग हों, जितने भी लोगों को आप जानते हैं, तो उसका टाइटल अगर आपको देना हो तो वो क्या टाइटल हो सकता है? नहीं, राजू चाचा का लीड रोल नहीं है. नहीं, सबका है. नहीं, लीड रोल. इट्स ए ensemble cast. हाँ?
I was going to say चिवड़े with mom ना चिवड़ क्या कर रहा है?
नहीं
चिवड़े mom
नहीं ये नहीं वर्ड इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं चिवड़ा that it's so so I won't say keeping up with the case or anything, but complete insanity. That's the name of our family group also.
Yeah.
तो हिंदी में क्या कहेंगे?
पागलपन की इंतहा.
Superb. पागलपन.
My mother has a better name for it.
हाँ कहिए.
हम नहीं सुधरेंगे.
हाँ माइंड ब्लोइंग है. हम नहीं सुधरेंगे. और सब अलग है. आप अलग हो, मॉम अलग है, मैं अलग हूँ, राजू चाचा तो खैर अलग ही हैं. और नहीं, I love राजू चाचा. He's the most. I love him. He's so sweet. But हाँ, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे. And the star is actually दादी जी.
She is the main role.
Because she is the most beautiful person in the world. She fires people out of love, and they are like, "We love you."
Yeah. Yes.
शादी क्यों नहीं करेगा? सब लोग अच्छे होते हैं।
तूने शादी का टॉपिक खुद उठाया, अब बता
अच्छा
शादी कब करेगा? तूने खुद
डैड
उठाया।
आप ढूंढ लो ना, कोई किसी लड़की को ढूंढ लो, फिर
मैं किसी लड़की को कैसे ढूंढ सकता हूँ? शादी तो तुझे करनी है ना।
तो मैं अगर ढूंढ लूंगा तो ढूंढ लूंगा।
कब? ये फंस गया तू, ये भाई टॉपिक पे आ
नहीं,
गया।
वो नेटवर्क मेरा खराब हो गया ना इसमें, तो आई थिंक इट्स क्रैकिंग।
चल, गुड लक टू यू, लॉट्स ऑफ लव and have fun. I'll see you after I finish this. I will come to your room. Okay?
I love you, Dad. Bye.
Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, everybody, for watching this. Thank you, Dad, for doing a first Instagram live with me.
Yes, yes, yes. बहुत सब लोग खुश हैं, तेरी तारीफ कर रहे हैं, बहुत बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें बोल रहे हैं। Anyway, I'll be दुलारी रॉक्स भी बोल रहे हैं। I'll be posting it so you can see the whole thing, everybody. चलो, तो मैं बाकी
खेर साहब और आप लोग सब #खेर साहब देखते रहिएगा, क्योंकि रोज मैं अपने कैमरा लेके डैड के पास चले जाता हूँ और इनके हम नहीं सुधरेंगे वाले चीजें देखते रहेंगे।
बाय, टेक केयर।
बाय डैड, बाय।
तो मेरे दोस्तों, that was good talking to Sikandar. I got to know him a little more and it was a good chat. और I am sure you enjoyed it. लोगों के मन में क्या क्या चल रहा होता है इसका पता करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है, but as long as you come back to Vrinda Kher saying this has been the best. How Vrinda, thank you so much. family हम नहीं सोचेंगे कि आपका भी रोल है उसमें, इसलिए हम बोलेंगे this was the best. But you see, it's very important. आज मैंने एक जयपुर फिकी फ्लो के लोगों के लिए एक जूम कॉल की एज ए मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर एंड आई चैटेड विद एवरीबडी एंड उन्होंने कहा कि आज की जनरेशन के बच्चों को अगर आपको एक सीख देनी है तो क्या देंगे? तो मैंने कहा आज की जनरेशन के बच्चों के पास सब कुछ है, अकल है, कॉन्फिडेंस है। आई वुड लाइक देम टू स्पेंड मोर टाइम विद देयर पेरेंट्स एंड नो द स्टोरी। अपने माता पिता की स्टोरी उनको पूछनी चाहिए कि वो कहाँ से आए थे, कैसे पढ़े थे, क्या किया था उन्होंने, कितने साल से उनके माता पिता शादीशुदा हैं, क्या उनकी खूबियां हैं, क्या उनकी कमजोरियां हैं। Today's generation does everything but except, I don't know, I can't generalize it, but I don't think they spend enough time with their parents. मैं ऐसे माहौल में बड़ा हुआ जहाँ मेरे माँ बाप बिजी थे, बिकॉज हम 14 लोग थे पूरे घर में, मगर मुझे कुछ ना कुछ वक्त जरूर मिल जाता था उनके साथ वक्त गुजारने के लिए। So when you spend time with your parents, in your heart you feel secure, because parents से बड़ी जो है सिक्योर देने वाली फीलिंग, सिक्योरिटी देने वाली फीलिंग दुनिया में कोई शख्सियत नहीं हो सकती है। दोस्तों, आपकी शाम अच्छी गुजरे एंड स्टे सेफ। गर्वित बोलते हैं जय श्री राम और बाकी लोग अंगूठा दिखा रहे हैं। और ये जो 100%, this is very good that we should sort of have this emojis because we are in the world of internet, etc., etc. But in life, emotions should not be replaced by emojis. We need to really react with people, talk to people. It's very important. It's very important to listen. It's very important to listen to people. लोगों को सुनने के लिए कोई होना चाहिए। कभी कभी अकेलापन का एहसास होता है क्योंकि कोई सुनने वाला नहीं होता है। फोन उठा के अपने अपने दोस्तों को फोन करो कि कैसे हो भाई, और अगर जरा सी भी आपको लगे कि इसकी आवाज में कहीं एक उदासी है तो पहुंच जाओ घर पर, या अभी लॉकडाउन है तो फोन करते रहो, उसको बोलो कि हम तुमको प्यार करते हैं, तुम हमारे दोस्त हो यार। ऐसे ही फोन करो, ऐसे ही मैसेज भेजो, जोक्स भेजो, उदासी की बातें मत भेजो, क्योंकि कोई पता नहीं होता कि कहां पर कौन इंसान कितना उदास है, क्या उसके मन में चल रहा है। We need to reach out to people. We need to tell them that we love them. और लव का कोई पैसा नहीं लगता यार, मुफ्त में मिलता है और कभी खत्म ही नहीं हो सकता। पूरी जिंदगी मोहब्बत, प्यार, लव बांटते रहोगे पूरी जिंदगी, दोनों हाथ ऐसे ऐसे करके, तब भी खत्म नहीं होगा, बहुत रह जाएगा और छोड़ के जाओगे। So spread love, make people happy. It's very important to make people happy. It's very important to be interested in people. It's very important to go beyond your comfort zone to ask people how you are, my friend. I like to do that. You should do that. और जरूरी नहीं दोस्त ही है, कोई भी अनजान आदमी को भी प्यार देने को कोई परेशानी नहीं होती है. अनजान आदमी को भी पूछना भी कैसे हो दोस्त, कैसे हो, सब ठीक है ना, सब ठीक है ना, तो बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा. तो अपना ख्याल रखो. Ole sends me big kiss and lots of love from Iraq. Thank you. Then I am Kalu KPS from South Africa. Please say something in Kashmiri language. भाई क्या करे कथ क्या से कर बकस परितोष कोल चेचु नाव कोल खेर वैसे नाव आसान खार पत करो खेर. And thank you very much for liking New Amsterdam, my dear. Naman, thank you. मैं भी थिएटर आर्टिस्ट हूँ. तो आप अपना ख्याल रखो दोस्तों. आकाश गालू, कितना अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया आपने मुझे. मैं भी आपके जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ. दिस इज द बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट एनीबडी कुड गिव मी. थैंक यू माय डियर आकाश. उमा सिंह राजपूत, मरियम हदायत, अल्लाह ब्लेस यू. थैंक यू फ्रॉम आपकी वजह से. थैंक यू. बाकी आप अपना ख्याल रखो दोस्तों. अब चलता हूँ, मुझे भूख लगी है. Lots of love. आपको भी भूख लगी है. Good night to you and people who are in America and other places. Have a great day. And in Europe, good afternoon to you and have a great rest of the day. Lots of love. Take care.